pass me that y'all. Bitch, I'm on that y'all trick. Y'all could dog a list. Bitch, I'm on that y'all. And it got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all. Bitch, y'all could dog a list. Bitch, I'm rolling bud. And it got me paranoid. Y'all
damn,
trick,
son, where'd you find this?
Y'all could dog a list. Trick, I'm on that y'all. And it got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all. Bitch, y'all could dog a list. Bitch, I'm rolling bud. And it got me paranoid. Y'all talk slick, yo, bitch, here, y'all. She wanted the y'all. Flickered on pillow talk. He just made the work bubble. Not no Air Max with the mini air bubble. Ain't no rock in my sock, cause I got the jaw holder. Bitch that screaming, man, don't call me. Maybe some mega.
What's up, YouTube? This Dr. Trey Kid a Flicker Bed, and you're tuned in to another episode of Whips and Flips. I just got a quick update for y'all, man. Just got a bed cover for one of my homies, so I'm putting that on here now. Thinking about coming and painting it. Might paint it the same color of the truck or go black. I'm thinking about smoking out the headlights, tail lights, and throw them rockers on there so that black shouldn't throw it off too much, because I'm gonna have some other black on here too. So you're gonna see it's like a little grayish type of color. I'm trying to mount it up. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be ordering the rocker panels next. Got just about all the mechanical shit out the way. That's what I was making sure I did first. Now that everything's mostly mechanically straight, I'm gonna start with the cosmetic shit. So be in tune with y'all, man. I'm gonna lift it up and see. I might get a little more footage as we drilling. Let y'all see how it is. See it when it's ready to lift up. Go to step bars in there. I think it looked better without the step bars, but that rust, I definitely want to get the rockers for that rust. So I don't got nothing over the wheel well, so let's see. You say you put bolts on the other side of them.
Huh?
Says bolts on the other side, not under there.
Yeah, put them up.
Yeah.
You gotta put them up on that side. On this side.
Lost a cap too, you guys. Trying to find one. I found the guy online on Facebook with him, but he won't 100 a cap, so try to see if I can find him cheaper first. If not, I don't know. Cause like I said, I only paid $500 for the set, so instead of spending $100, I could just sell them and make some money instead of spending money on them shit. Got the front two in, got them mounted in the back. Got them mounted right there. Over there. It's a little off track though, it needs to be adjusted some more. It's not adjusted all the way. This is kind of messing it up right here. We took this off and this thing closes perfectly when I take this plastic piece off, but I don't like how it look with that off of there. With the holes and shit, the guy who I got it from, he got a truck just like this. From the video I did the side-to-side comparison, and on his truck he had this too. He said he had to take his off. He got his off of his. So usually what I gotta do is open the back usually, and once I open this part, while this is still down, I can shut this up. But if I try to shut this down while this is still up, then it won't catch the things it needs to catch. I got the key too, but the little pins under here be sticking. So we had to adjust these too and take them up as high as they could go, because when they was down adjusted already when I got them. And this part wouldn't catch. It wouldn't catch on to it, so we had to lift it all the way up. But it's like, when it's all the way up, it's like a little gap. So it's like a gap right in here. So we're trying to see if I could do something about that. But we got it on here. I'm thinking about painting it. I might do that. Still deciding. I like how it look on there. I just want to get that little gap out the back. If anybody got any suggestions, let me know. This one is sticking on this side too. It be sticking. Sometimes I gotta go in and do that, pull it right there for it to release. I got the key, but sometimes it act like it don't want to release sometimes. The shocks is like they in decent shape. I got this for little or none. I believe I paid like $20 for it, so I'm gonna go on and try to, I might see if I can oil this up, or I might just see if I could get another. I might go out to the junkyard. I seen a couple ones with bed covers out there last time I went, so I might go check that out. See if I can get, like, I can see nice. It's hard to shut it down when that's open, but see, it'll catch when this ain't up. Then I gotta do like that, and I gotta shut that. As you see, I get that gap right there. The gap goes away too if I take this off, but I want to see is there any other way, because I just don't want to leave that with the holes in it. I'm wondering, could I maybe cut across the front of it and just have a lip? I don't know. If anybody got any suggestions, if anybody has put one of these on, then let me know.
Flick a man straight, he just went on the back end. So ho, bring that back, cause business is business. Think that money make you hard, well I'm here to hurt your feelings. Jack one track, blow your career off the map. Think you hard body till that gauge weighing out. Know you got a body, but it don't mean nothing to me. Killed your best friend because he fucked your old lady. Now do you feel glad? Do it really make you feel better? That's why y'all handling business. She still tricking off, nigga. You can't understand, cause you treat her so good. The bitch hardcore, she sleeps no shit with Eskimos. Think it can't be